Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory, a true masterpiece in the world of superbikes. If you're looking for pure performance, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, this bike is a force to be reckoned with. Let's dive into what makes the RSV4 1100 Factory stand out. The RSV4 1100 Factory is built for speed and precision. Its aggressive design, with sharp lines and aerodynamic fairing, ensures it looks as fast as it rides. The lightweight aluminum frame and carbon fiber components contribute to its agility, while the overall stance screams performance, whether you're on the track or the road. Powered by a 1077cc V4 engine, the RSV4 1100 Factory delivers insert horsepower and insert torque, providing blistering acceleration and thrilling power. This superbike is equipped with a 6-speed gearbox for smooth, quick shifts, and its refined engine gives you a spine-tingling exhaust note that adds to the excitement. The RSV4 1100 Factory is all about exceptional handling. With Öhlins electronic suspension, Brembo brakes, and a lightweight carbon fiber swing arm, it's designed for maximum control and precision. With advanced features like traction control and wheelie control, this bike is ready to dominate any track or twisty road. What do you think of the RSV4 1100 Factory? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.